So hey guys, welcome to the Google Cloud Architect series. Today we'll be talking about the region and zones. This is our section 1 and we'll be covering so many other sections to complete this series. So let's first talk about the challenges we face, then only we get to know like what we're gonna study here. So have you ever faced a website that taking like forever to load or crashes during important tasks? So these are caused by the high latency or we can say the slow response time. And the second reason is the low availability when the system going down unexpectedly. So Google Cloud solves these problems with its region and zone setup. So let's talk about regions and zones now. So first, what's a region? Region is a large area, like a country or a part of a continent, where Google Cloud stores and processes data. Each region has multiple zones, which are separate data centers. These zones are designed with independent power cooling and network so that if one fails, other keeps on working. Let's take an example now. Like think of a region as a city and zones as neighborhoods. So even if one neighborhood loses power, the rest of the city stays active. So this design ensures your apps are always running smoothly. So Google Cloud offers three type of regions. These are multi-region, single regions, and specialized region. So we'll be talking about one by one. First, talk about the multi-region. In a multi-region setup, your data and services are spread across different regions. This ensures your app is always available even if one region faces an issue. So, for example, imagine you're working on a project and saving your documents in Google Drive. Your files are automatically synced across various regions. So, if one data center in, say, like US goes down, you can access the same files from a different region, for example, Europe or Asia, anything, and keep on working without missing a beat. Now we'll be talking about the single region. So in a single region setup, all your data is stored in one region. This is great when you want to offer faster access to users in a specific area. For instance, if you are running an online store in India, it's like very common nowadays. You would store your data in a region like Asia South 1. This makes the site faster for users in India because the data is physically closer to them rather than we are just taking US or Europe. Now we'll be talking about the specialized region. So, specialized regions are designed for specific needs like following strict data privacy or there are some laws in particular countries like you have to keep your data in your country only. You can't just take any other region. So if you have to follow those laws or handle powerful tasks, for example, GDPR, it's a European data privacy law. It requires personal data to stay within Europe. Using a region like Europe West One ensures your data follows these rules and keep user information safe. So other specialized reason are like if you want to build something heavy computing, you want to do like train AI model or anything like that, then reason like US Central 1A have powerful servers to make these tasks faster and more efficient. So, by using reason and zones wisely, you can make your app faster, more reliable, and ready to handle any challenge. For instance, if you want to reduce delays for users in US, you can store data in US West 1. Or if you're worried about system crashes, you can distribute your app across multiple zones in the same region to keep it running smoothly even if one zone goes down. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one. We'll be talking about the computing zone in the next video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This was for all. You can get these PDF in like description box.